In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can add a custom domain on Vercel. So to do this for yourself, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come to your Vercel dashboard and you're going to go over to domains. Now, once you go over to your domain section, there are 2 to 3 options that you can do in Vercel. Okay, you can either add a domain that Vercel has specifically provided you, or you can add your very own custom domain. And that is basically what we're here to do. We're here to add our very own custom domain, so I'm simply going to wait for domains to load up and let me show you where we go on from there. Now, as you can see, once you're over here, you can either buy a domain directly off of, Vercel itself, or what you can do is you can click on add existing domain. So whatever your domain name is, just simply add it over here. Like, let's say I'm going to go ahead and write here Nike.com. Okay, just as an example, we're gonna add that right here. Now, if there's some domain that you yourself want to transfer in, you can simply click on transfer in domain, enter the domain you want to transfer in, and make sure you have the authorization code for it. If you don't know how to get it, it's the EPP code that every domain user has in their cPanel. So just add your domain here, click the authorization code, transfer it in, and that is basically how easy it is to add a custom domain on Vercel. So thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.